Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Sainte-Félicité is a charming village located on the Gaspé Peninsula, Quebec. It is nestled along the south shore of the St. Lawrence River, and known for its picturesque setting, with stunning views of the river and surrounding landscapes. The name Sainte-Félicité honors Saint Felicitas of Rome, a Christian martyr, reflecting the area's historical ties to religion. This peaceful village was first established as a mission in 1857, and by 1864, a post office was opened, marking its official beginnings. Over the years, Sainte-Félicité has remained a close-knit community, with its economy traditionally centered around fishing and agriculture. These industries are still an important part of life here. Sainte-Félicité is located along the legendary Quebec Route 132, which is known for its breathtaking coastal views and quaint fishing villages. It's an iconic road trip destination on the Gaspé Peninsula, attracting visitors who want to immerse themselves in the region's natural splendor. Sainte-Félicité and its surroundings offer a mix of tranquility and adventure, whether you're interested in relaxing by the water, hiking, or discovering local history.
Thanks for watching!